This man's cats are extremely clingy, because whenever he lies down, they always come and sit right on his face. And every single night, as soon as he falls asleep, they jump onto his bed and keep bothering him. To protect himself from them, he bought a spiky blanket so the cats wouldn't come near him. But somehow, one cat still managed to climb up and reach his face. This made him really angry, so this time he put a mosquito net over the bed. But when the cat started climbing on top of the net, it tore apart and fell straight onto him. Finally, he installed iron mesh all around the bed. But as soon as it got dark, all his cats started staring at him from outside, like ghosts.